back here to show you some Pokemon cards that I found in this breakthrough booster box full of cards, and I managed to find 22 decent cards that I don't have yet, and pretty excited about it actually. Glalie X. Here's a code. We have a Glalie X full art. So actually pretty excited about this one because that's one I don't have. I always get excited when I find something I don't have yet. And I don't have this one either, the Mega Mewtwo X. And I found this secret rare Mewtwo X. Like, this is sweet. This is a sweet card. And I have every card individually sleeved already. Like, this is one of my favorite cards I managed to find, was the Mewtwo X secret rare full art. Like, that's a beautiful card. Here's another code. And I got a Mega Mewtwo X. Not full art, but still a pretty decent card. Here we go. Also found this one in the same breakthrough box. Zoroark Break. There's this Noivern Break, found in the same box. I've never found so many good cards in the same box. I got pretty lucky with this one. Also found a Florges Break. That's how you say it. And of course, every card individually sleeved. And we have a Houndoom X. A Raikou Holo Rare. We have a Xnerius, however you say that. Another Holo Rare. Zoroark Holo Rare. Yveltal Holo Rare. And then again, all found in the same box. Octillery Holo Rare. Melota Holo Rare. Cresselia. Not a holo though. Raichu Rare. Some other cards that I found. This isn't holo though. Yeah, it's a pretty good box and definitely my best opening yet. And we'll be back here. I'm pretty excited about the Mega Powers collection. We're gonna find some pretty decent cards in there. That's for sure. Thanks for watching.